If you have ever seen a video advertisement and asked yourself, who made this ad? And felt like it was created by a very big company? Today, I will show you how you yourself can create an advertisement like that using AI, without a camera, without a studio, and without videographer equipment. This video will start completely from the beginning all the way to the end, until you are able to write good prompts and create business-level video ads.
Look, I got the chocolate one. Mine is strawberry. Let's go eat them outside. Yum. This is so good.
Part 1. What is a prompt? Absolute beginner. First of all, let me explain one very important thing. What is a prompt? A prompt is the instruction you give to AI so that it can create the image or video you want. The problem with many beginners is this. They tell AI, I want an ice cream video. AI will generate a video, but it will be very ordinary. It will have no advertising appeal. A good prompt must explain location, people, what is happening, emotions, camera, video quality. Take this opportunity to subscribe to this channel for more lessons. Part 2. Prompt formula, the foundation of everything. Now I will give you a very simple formula. Once you understand it, you will never get lost again. Prompt formula: scene/location, characters/objects, action, emotion/mood, lighting/camera, video quality. Every strong prompt must touch all these points. Part 3. Real example, bad prompt/good prompt. A bad prompt looks like this: ice cream inside fridge. A slightly better prompt: realistic shot of ice cream inside a fridge freezer. But a real commercial level prompt looks like this: ultra-realistic cinematic shot inside a modern refrigerator freezer. Ice cream bars neatly arranged, individually wrapped with readable text, ice cream, cold vapor, bright freezer lighting, sharp focus, 4K food commercial style. The more accurate details you add, the better AI understands you. Part 4. Why video ads are divided into scenes. A very big mistake beginners make is writing the entire video in one prompt. A good advertisement is not made like that. A strong advertisement is divided into scenes. Ice cream ad example. Part 1. Ice cream inside the fridge. Part 2. Children take the ice cream. Part 3. They unwrap the packaging. Part 4. They eat with excitement. Each scene equals its own prompt. Part 5. Important video ad keywords. There are words that, if missing, your video will look ordinary. Important keywords: ultra-realistic, cinematic, commercial style, close-up, slow motion, natural lighting, realistic emotions, 4K quality. These are the words that make a video look like a big brand advertisement. Part 6. Human realism, people in videos. When dealing with people in videos, you must be careful. Rules: specify age, specify emotions, specify environment. Good example: 3 happy children aged 6 to 10, African family environment, natural skin tones, joyful expressions, cinematic handheld camera. Part 7. How to use ChatGPT as a prompt coach. Very important part. Now, this is where many people go wrong, and this is where you start becoming a pro. Do not tell ChatGPT, give me a prompt. Instead, explain like this: real example. Read exactly as written. Write a good and realistic script where the first scene shows ice cream inside a fridge. Each ice cream is in its own packaging, and each package has readable text so someone can recognize it as ice cream. The second prompt shows children taking ice cream. 3 children, each child taking 1 ice cream, then running outside. The third prompt shows them removing the ice cream from the packaging. The fourth prompt shows them eating the ice cream with excitement. Give me scene-by-scene prompts like a real advertisement. When you speak to AI in this way, it will give you strong commercial-level prompts. Video Part 8. How to use prompts in VO3. After getting your prompts, we now take them to VO3. Steps: open VO3, register using your email account, then you will receive bonus tokens. Go to New Project or Create Project. Choose Text to Video. Click here to choose aspect ratio, choose aspect ratio, then output per prompt set 1. In the model section, choose VO 3.1 fast. Do not choose VO 3.1 quality because it consumes many tokens. One prompt uses 100 tokens, while VO 3.1 fast uses only 20 tokens per prompt. Write only one scene prompt, generate. Do not write all scenes at once. While waiting for the video to generate, I kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel for more lessons. You will review the video, and if you like it, download it. Then take a screenshot of the final frame of that video. This is a trick that many people do not know. It makes your video look like it was shot with a real camera, not AI. Change from text to video and select frames to video. Then upload the image you captured from the end of the first video ad. After uploading, write the second prompt and generate. After it finishes, watch it.
Wow, look at these! I got one! Let's go! Wow, look at these! I got one! Let's go!
You will notice the video starts from the end of the first video and continues smoothly into the second scene. This is very attractive, and no one can tell it was made with AI. Download it. Do this for every prompt, and at the end of each video, capture the final frame so you can continue to the third prompt. Make sure you generate all scenes. Part 7. Editing and finalizing the video. After generating all scenes, download each scene, combine them using CapCut, Premiere, or VN Editor. Add music, add a CTA. Example CTA, ice cream, the taste of happiness. Conclusion. Remember this, VO3 is the camera, the prompt is the director. The better your direction, the stronger the movie becomes. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment on which product you want me to teach next. And if you need a great advertisement for your business, you can contact me. If you enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to subscribe.